welcome or welcome back to my page. Thank you so much for viewing this video, and I just wanted to let you guys know that today I have a little bit of extra income, so I'm going to be stuffing that extra income into my savings envelopes, my low priority sinking funds, and my spending envelopes. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, stay tuned and definitely give this video a like and subscribe if this is some content that you're interested in. So with that being said, let's get started. I wanted to first off say that I am so thankful and so blessed to be able to have this extra income. I'm going on maternity leave soon, so any money that I have is definitely appreciated. The income I've received this week was an extra $1,025, and that is from the child tax credit, which was $375, and I also had a baby shower and got a total of $650 from family and friends. So that gives me the total of $1,025. So we're going to start off with counting and making sure that we have the correct amount of money. Sidebar, I've already taken 275 of these dollars and put it into my Ally account, and that's going to be distributed into my buckets, which I'll show later in the video. So this right here is a total of $750 that we're going to be putting into our envelopes. So let's just make sure this is what it's supposed to be. Count up everything. Let's go. 1, 2, and 300s. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 260, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 140, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 ones, for a total of $750. So first we're going to stuff my spending envelopes, and the crib is going to get $5. I'll be taking out my receipts as we go, because sometimes I use my credit card, especially if I'm going to get a discount. I have a Target credit card which gives me 5% off for each purchase. So usually, even if I have the cash, I'll spend it on my card just to get the 5% and then pay it back with whatever I have in the envelope. I'm going to give it $5. And now we have a total of 10, 20, 5, 31, and 32 in the crib. Dining is gonna get 10. Now with the 20 already, adding a 10, dining has now $30. Beauty is getting nothing. Nuri, my daughter, is going to get 10. So now she has a total of 10, 25, 30, and 1. Groceries is still 0. Laundry is getting 10. I already have $6 in there. So now it's 10, 15, and 16 for laundry. Miscellaneous is getting 0. Gas is getting 10. I actually put this on my credit card, so this will be coming off into paying a credit card bill. Now with the 10, we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 50, 50, 70, 90, 100, 110, 120. Whew, those 50s really trip me up. Clothing is getting 0. Health is getting 0. And I'm in the process of getting some new envelopes. So for now, I just have these trackers. I'm gonna actually add a little bit of cash to these ones. I made a new spending envelope for tips, giving, which is gonna get $3 today. And me, myself, and I is getting a 10. So those envelopes should be coming soon. Next is my low priority sinking funds. P.O. Box. P.O. Box is getting 4. As you can see, I still need to pay this. I already paid it on my credit card. I still need to pay my credit card back. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we have a total of 20, 40, 60, 70, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 101. And that's not counting for the $18 that I have in my Navy Federal account. That's going toward this fund as well. AAA is getting $3. And so now we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 in AAA. Home Goods is going to get 50. So 20, 40, 50. I see a rug on IKEA that I really like, so I'm probably going to be purchasing that soon. So now in Home Goods, we have a total of 20, 40, 60, 81, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 128 in Home Goods. Next is Budget Bay, and it's not getting anything. Debt is going to get $100. So I'll just take 100. So now in debt, we have a total of 1, 20, 40, 60, 82, 10, 20, 30, 5, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, and 41. 241 in debt. That's going to be going towards my credit card bill, in addition to whatever envelopes I've used to purchase things on my credit card. Gifts is getting 0. Like I said, I'm putting more towards holiday because that's coming up, and I started a little late. Oh my gosh, this keeps going off. Like, come on. So holiday is getting 50. This is a $100 tracker to show what I already have in the bank for that amount. So now with the $50 added, we have a total of 100, 20, 40, oops. Threw a sister off. Okay. So now with the $50 added for holiday, we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 10, 20, 30, 5, 40, 5, 50, 250 in holiday. Is that right? 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 2, 10, 20, 30, 5, 40, 5, 50, 250 in holiday. Next is car care, and car care is going to get $30. So now we have a total in car care of 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 16, and 17. 117 in car care. Not accounting for the little bit of money that I do have in the bank. So I'm going to go through and update all my trackers in here, including for my money that I have in the bank, so everything will be up to date. Next is boutique, and that is going to get $50. As I said before, I had to get this suit jacket tailored. It cost me $50, so I just had to make sure I had that covered in this fund because I've already paid it with my credit card. Now within boutique, I have $20, $40, $50, $60, $70, $71. I also have some extra sinking fund envelopes that I'm going to get made. I'm adding to those as well. So baby boy, that's my new baby boy that is due any day now, and I'm adding $300 to that. This is just a cover for some things that are not gotten off of the registry that I know that I need. We have $1, $2, $20, $40, $60, $80, $300 in baby boy. Now I have baby boy there because we're going back and forth against two different names and not quite sure yet. Subscriptions is getting $5. Storage is getting $80. $20, $30, $40, $50, $60, $75, and $80 in storage. I pay this once a month. It comes out of my credit card automatically, $145. So that's there. My phone bill is gonna get $20. So $5, $10, $15, and $20. And lastly, I have my rent savings fund and Nuri's premium saving fund. These are just trackers. I keep this money inside of my Wells Fargo savings account. So I just track how much that I keep in this fund on a tracker, just so I know how much I'm working with. I'll be getting envelopes for these soon, so they won't be just hanging out all willy-nilly. And lastly, I had already taken $275 and placed it into my Ally account so that I can go back and distribute it into my separate savings buckets for my high priority savings. I love this account because they allow you to, as you have your savings overall, separate each amount into a bucket so you can kind of see how your savings is coming along goal-wise for the specific goals that you have. For 6 months ahead, I put $75. These are trackers that I place just to give me an idea of how much cash I have in that bank account. Now there's a total of $6,175 for my 6 months ahead rent fund. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6,000 and $100 place marker. I don't have the 75, I just have the $100 trackers, and I just round it down to that. And I'm going to be probably pulling from these soon because I'm going on maternity leave, and I'm sure I'm only going to get about 60% of my income. I have to come up with a plan of how much I'm actually going to be pulling from here so that it's not fully diminished, but at the same time making sure that I have all of my living expenses covered. So next is emergency fund. I've added $50 to this fund. So now there's a total of $550, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 500. The $50, once I get it up to 100, I will update that with another $100 space tracker. Next is our home. That is my fund to eventually save up for a down payment for a home. I added $50 for this, so it's just got the $100 tracker. Next is Nuri, my daughter. She has a fund, and I added $100 to that, so now she has a total of $700. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and $700. And then lastly, I just wanted to note that you can have as many buckets as you want in the Ally account, and I'm probably going to be creating one for my son on the way, and maybe one for like really expensive car repairs. So yeah, I just wanted to note that there's also a core savings that everything goes into, and then you distribute it into the buckets that you need it to go into. In my core savings right now, I have $93.17. Also did want to note that with this Ally account, I get about 0.5% APY. That's the interest that I get for the money that I have placed there, and I've gotten overall about $8 in the last 3 months since I've had the account, which is pretty fabulous. And I just keep this tracker here to show the balance that I have overall with all of the buckets, and that's $7,668.17. It just makes me feel good to know that going into this maternity leave, I have at least something to fall back on, even though I wouldn't want to diminish this all the way. That's just what it's there for. So with that said, that is all of my extra income stuffed for this week. I want to say again, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a like. It helps me out a lot. Also, subscribe to my page and stay with me on this journey. And if you had any questions or critiques, comment down below. And again, thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.